Hello and welcome. Eureka Forbes presents AquaSure Sampoorna, an easy-to-install storage water purifier. The 5-stage purification process completely purifies the water. The particulate filter removes all visible dirt and impurities. The sediment filter removes dissolved impurities invisible to the naked eye. The carbon filter removes bad taste, color, and odor from the water. The contact disinfectant technology kills all bacteria, viruses, and cysts, giving you safe and pure water conforming to ISO 10500 1991 standards. And the post-carbon removes all residual disinfectants from the water and enhances its taste. Let's get started with the easy and quick installation of the water purifier. In the box, you will find the base container, connector, top container, lid, particulate filter, and lid cap. Inside, you will also find a small box containing the tap, the air vent pipe, the top filter cartridge, and the bottom purification cartridge. First, let's prepare the top filter cartridge for installation. Soak it in water for 30 minutes to remove air bubbles. Similarly, prepare the bottom purification cartridge by removing the seal and soaking it in water for an hour to remove air bubbles. Now let's install the tap to the base container. The tap comes with a rubber piece that fits in the base container perfectly. Once set firmly, fit the tap and tighten it with the screw provided. Next, we will put the connector on the base container. It's now time to install the top filter cartridge in place. Turn the soaked cartridge to fix it in the top container. Attach the air vent pipe to the top of the cartridge. Now, we will fix the bottom purification cartridge to the top container from underneath. Next, simply place the top container on the connector. Put the lid, particulate filter, and lid cap in place to complete the installation. Wasn't that quick and easy? Fill the container completely with water and allow it to filter through both the cartridges for 30 minutes. That brings us to the end of the installation of AquaSure Sampoorna that is now ready to use. Your water purifier will give you pure water for up to 4,000 liters before both the cartridges must be replaced. I'll take you through the process of replacing the cartridge. Before we begin, make sure the water purifier has been drained completely. First, remove the lid cap, particulate filter, and lid from the top container and then detach the top container from the connector. Then, we will simply detach the bottom purification cartridge from the top container. Detach the air vent pipe from its place. Now, we will remove the top filter cartridge. We will now replace the cartridges. First, let's prepare the top filter cartridge for installation. Soak it in water for 30 minutes to remove air bubbles. Similarly, prepare the bottom purification cartridge by removing the seal and soaking it in water for an hour to remove air bubbles. It's now time to install the top filter cartridge in place. Turn the soaked cartridge to fix it in the top container. Attach the air vent pipe to the top of the cartridge. Now, we will fix the bottom purification cartridge to the top container from underneath. Next, simply place the top container on the connector. Put the lid, particulate filter, and lid cap in place to complete the installation. To properly maintain your water purifier and enjoy the benefits of pure water, it is important to follow these tips. Clean the particulate filter, top and base container once a month under running tap water. Avoid using warm water as it could damage the plastic. You must also clean the top filter cartridge every 15 days. Remove the plastic cage, sediment filter and immerse the carbon block in water. While immersed, close one end of the carbon block and with the bellow pump, pump water from the other end. There we go. You can now enjoy absolutely safe drinking water with the AquaSure Sampoorna.